the distance, inclination, and slope. These are the 3 points we have completed in the previous class. Let's try to extend this concept by using the slope topic. I'm going to discuss with the straight line. The next topic is the straight line. Based upon this, yes, please.
Sir, I'm having a doubt. Sir, trigonometry is done, sir, completely.
Yes, completed.
Like transformations.
No. I have not given the transformation syllabus in your topics. Just multiple and submultiple angles and what we can call the sum and difference formulas. That's it. The syllabus we have not mentioned the transformation. So if you want to complete the total concepts what we have in 11th and 12th standard, it takes minimum 40 days for completion of your trigonometry. Hope you can understand. Only the basic concepts we have covered, guys. Okay. The transformation is the last topic. That's we need to complete the trigonometric equations, hyperbolic functions, and then periodicity, graphs. Graphs already have completed, no problem. Periodicity, maximum, minimum. These are all the topics are included in your 11th standard, but only brief introduction I have given to you.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll go for the next point. That is the straight line. The next point is the straight lines. Straight lines. So we have various forms of the straight lines. First, if I'm observing the coordinate system, guys, let's have the coordinate system. Yeah, so is it an x-axis? Is it y-axis? This is an horizon where the lines are intersecting. Suppose you are moving on x-axis, either left or right, on x-axis. Let us observe carefully, guys. First point, on x-axis, what is the value of y? On x-axis, what is the value of y? Suppose if I'm moving on right side of your horizon, x is increasing. Hope you can understand my point. That x value 1, 2, 3, x value. Similarly, -1, x value is decreasing. -2, -3, and y value 1, 2, 3, positive y value. Downside -1, -2, -3. No. Right side of horizon, x value increases. Left side of horizon, x value decreases. Upside of horizon, y value increases. Downside of horizon, y value decreases. And the point O 0, 0 is the point of intersection of the two lines. Okay. What I'm telling you, right side of horizon, that is on x-axis. What is the value of y on x-axis? Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Any answer?
Sir, 0, sir.
Very good. Any other answer? Any other answer you got, guys?
Sir, same on.
Sean? Any other answer you got? Boop Singh?
Also same.
Okay. That means what you are telling, sir, on x-axis, your y value is 0. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
On x-axis, the value of y is 0. Is it clear? Can I fix this?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, on y-axis, what is the value of x?
0, sir.
X is equal to 0. That means the first point what I can write, because if you are observing, no change, no y value changes on x-axis. That y value is 0 only. That is the equation of x-axis. What I can write here? The equation of Ritvik, can you keep in mute? Equation of x-axis. Equation of x-axis is, what is that? You have given, you told me that, sir, y is equal to 0. This is the equation of x-axis. The second point, point number 2, the equation of y-axis. The equation of y-axis. Y-axis is, as you have given, that is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So whenever he is asking, what is an equation of x-axis? On x-axis, y value 0. Equation means something equal to 0. That linear equation in one variable, two variables we have completed. That equation means something is equal to 0. On x-axis, y value 0. On y-axis, x value 0. Hope you can understand the first 2 points, guys. And I'll moving to the point number 3, third point. Let us see what I'm going to discuss in this part. Suppose your line parallel to x-axis, your line parallel to x-axis, either above to the x-axis or below to the x-axis.
So x is equal to 0.
Let's say I'm taking this value is -3. Clear? So what is the third equation? Point number 3 I'm going to write, guys. Hope you can understand the figure, what I have written. The third point is equation of line. Equation of line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. That means above x-axis or below x-axis. Above or below. Above or below x-axis. Suppose if you are taking above x-axis, you will get positive value. And if I'm observing that, at which point your y-axis is cutting, is it at y is equal to 3 or not? Is it clear, guys? At which point your y-axis is cuts, that
3, sir.
equal to 3. And downside, so is it at y is equal to -3? And suppose if I'm taking another line, the line cuts y-axis at the given point, y is equal to
-1.
-1.
So -1.
Very good. Y is equal to -1. And similarly, if I'm taking another line which cuts y-axis at y is equal to -2.
-2, sir.
+2 or -2?
Plus
It is
two.
+2, sir.
That means what I can write, the equation of the line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to k for all k belongs to real number system, that is capital R.
Sir, what is
So
K?
simply k is any constant. You can take that 2, 3, -1, -3 like that. So we
Okay.
can write it as k belongs to R. R means what? It is a real number system.
Real number.
Yeah. So here any line which is parallel to x-axis is what we can write. Y is equal to some constant. Even we can write it as y is equal to constant. Any constant. That depends upon the given problem. Y is equal to constant. Or you can write it as y is equal to constant. Is it clear, guys? You can take any line.
Yes, sir.
You can take any line parallel to x-axis, either above or below. Suppose if I'm taking on x-axis, it is y value 0. Above or below, y is equal to some constant. You can write the equation of the line parallel to x-axis. Here this condition, parallel to x-axis is y is equal to k. I'll try to discuss one more point, and after that, I'll clarify your doubts, guys. Okay. I'll try to go for the next fourth one. Point number 4. The equation of the line, similarly, the equation of the line, the equation of line, the equation of line parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis. What we can write? Either the left or right of y-axis. Clear? Above or below x-axis, left or right to y-axis is what we can write. Can we take x is equal to constant?
So x equals to k or x equals to constant?
X belongs to the real number system, or x is equal to constant. X is equal to constant. None of these are the symbols just in the first class itself. At the time of your foundation, I have given to you, but once again, I'll try to write the symbol. This is what belongs to. This symbol is representation for belongs to, right? So x is equal to constant where and when your line is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Is it clear? I'll try to draw the figure. If you want, we can take the line which is parallel to y-axis. This is one line I'm taking, and another line which is cuts at x is equal to 2. So this line, what we can write? X is equal to 3. And this line, what we can write? X is equal to 2. Similarly, if you want, you can take on left hand side also. One line I'm going to take, that is x is equal to -1. At x is equal to -1. Clear? So like x is equal to 1 -1. Positive side means x positive value. Negative side of horizon will be negative value. So we will get x is equal to any constant. The equation of x-axis, y value 0. Equation of y-axis, x value 0. Equation of the line parallel to x-axis, y is equal to k. And parallel to y-axis, x is equal to k. K means any constant. So these are the 4 most important points, guys. So it is not necessary to take only k. If you want, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can change that k with any value. What is k? K is any real number. Any doubts regarding to these 4 points?
No, sir.
So if you're having any doubts, you can raise your hands, please. Otherwise, I'll go to the next point.
Sir,
We have different forms of the equation of the straight line. We have different forms of the equation of the straight line. As Vignit. Vignit, any doubt? Sarandeep, any doubt?
so can you again explain y equals to constant?
Y is equal to where you are I mean the line where it is cutting. Let's this line where it cuts y-axis.
So
The point 3 or not?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it at 3 or not? And downside, is it at 2 or not? Similarly,
Yes.
at 1 or not? Similarly, at 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. If you are observing the graph sheet in between 1 centimeter, I mean 1 to 2, we have small lines, each 0.1 centimeters. Even you can write decimal fractions also, 1 by 2. I can take it as this value as 1 by 2, 1 by 3. 1 by 2 means it is 1 by 2, 0.5. So you can take one more line, like any line which curves y-axis but parallel to x-axis. Cutting y-axis parallel to x-axis. Those lines are represented as y is equal to some constant. Let us see here, y is equal to 3, y is equal to, y is equal to -1, y is equal to -3. So y is equal to any constant. Which line? These are the lines parallel to x-axis. Clear? Similarly, parallel to y-axis means x is equal to k.
Yes, sir.
Hope you
Sir,
can
it's
understand.
also like similar to the linear equations in two variables one, right?
Linear equations in two variables means x plus y. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to discuss in future.
Okay, sir.
Right, a linear equation in one and two variables. Yes. Point number 5. Fifth point, guys. Equation of a straight line. This is the formula you have to remember. Equation of straight line. Straight line which passes through P x1 y1 whose slope m is, remember this standard formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of the straight line passing through one point and whose slope is m. So this is one line. The slope of this line is given to you. What is that? That is m. The slope of this line is m and the point is given as somewhere else, that is x1 comma y1. What is the equation of straight line? Only one point is given to you. In the previous class, we are finding the slope of line joining two points. Here, one point and the slope is given to you. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is the equation of the straight line in point slope form. What we can call point slope form. We can call it as one point is given to you, slope is given to you. Point slope form.
Sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, the y minus y1 in that equation, y minus y1 is equals to m. Y doesn't have an exponent. That means that 1 is there, no, sir?
Yeah, one. Yes. Only
That
one.
means y1 minus y1.
Line equation, I mean linear equation means y1, x1, y1 is a point, Nana. X and y are the variables. Linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Right? You know that the linear equation means some ax plus b whose degree is 1 or not. The degree, the power is only 1 in an entire equation. X1, y1 is some constant values. I'll try to discuss the problems. Okay?
Okay, sir.
What you said,
Sir,
it is absolutely correct. Yes, Rohan.
sir, what are x and y here, sir? X axis and y axis.
No, x and y are the variables. They
Any
are
variable
variables.
constant.
Any variables. Constant is x1, y1. Like you can take x and y are the axis also.
Okay, sir. But they can refer to anything, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, what are they referring to? X and y.
X and y, they are the variables. That's it. So what is the linear equation in two variables? Can we write ax plus by plus c
Yes.
is equal to 0? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
linear equation in two variables or not? Yeah, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Is it linear equation in two variables or not? Same thing that I'm going to write here. Next, I'm deducing the equation of the straight line. I'm deducing what we studied in 8th, 9th standard. One point is given to you and slope is given to you. The equation of the straight line. Straight line means it is a linear equation. Linear means whose degree is 1. Okay. So let's have the discussion of this concept. I'll try to give one example. Example, how the questions will ask. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of straight line. Equation of a line with slope m, the slope m, right? Or which makes an angle, some angle is given to you, which line, which makes an angle, makes an angle, makes an angle pi by 4 and passes through 3, 4. He is asking the equation of the straight line. He is asking the equation of the straight line which passes through one point and makes an angle. How much angle? Pi by 4, right? I can take one line. I can take one line, guys, and which makes an angle pi by 4, which x-axis and y-axis. The positive direction of x-axis will be pi by 4. This is clearly given to you. And one point on the line is 3, 4. But we require the slope m value. Yes or no? M is not given. Clear? What is the slope and how we can find out the slope? Very good. Very good. Very good. Tangent of that inclination, tan theta, clearly given as theta is equal to pi by 4 and px1 y1 is equal to, the point is given as 3, 4. So what is a tan theta? Theta value is how much? Pi divided by 4. What is tan pi by 4 value? 1. That means indirectly the slope of the line is given as 1. Right? What is the equation of the straight line? The equation of the straight line formula, y minus
4
y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So clearly x1 will be given as a 3 and y1 will be given as
Sir, y is
4.
0.
So we can put these values. Y minus 4 is equal to 1 into x minus 3.
Sir, your pi value is 3.14 or you're in the form of radian?
What is the tan of 3.14?
0.5.
Can we have any trigonometric value for tan of 3.14?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, so you know the value of tan pi by 4, 45 degrees, I know the value.
Yes, sir.
I never use 3.14, 5.65 decimal fractions. I never use. Clear? And as I said, always your linear equation in two variables should be in the form of ax plus by plus c. First x, next y, and then constant. Right? So we can take everything will be on right hand side. So let it be 0 is equal to x minus 3. Next minus y minus of minus plus 4. So we can write it as x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the straight line, guys.
Sir,
So how we are proceeding? Let's see here. First, angle of inclination. The inclination with respect to positive x-axis is given, and the point on the line is also given to you. Whenever one point and a slope is given, we can make use of the formula y minus y1, point to slope form. We have different forms already. 2-3 points we have discussed. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points we have discussed. This is the 5th point, guys. Right? Parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, equation of x-axis, equation of y-axis. Right? So this is also one format of equation of the straight line when point is given and slope is given. Yes, please. Regarding to this question, any doubt?
sir, here pi by 4 is radians or degrees, sir?
So again, you are in the first class. pi means what I can call radian system or degree system.
Radian, sir.
Then why we can call it as a degree? Degree means something zero power unit will
Okay,
be
sir.
0,
Yes,
45
sir.
degrees, 35 degrees. Yes or no? Right. Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
any
But
doubt?
tan pi by 4, how is it equals to 1, sir? I didn't understand
That
only
is
that
what I
one.
am telling. Yeah. So again, I can go for the first class of your trigonometry. I need to see the tabular values of trigonometry. One table is given in the first class of your trigonometry. I mean, second or third class. You have to remember the tabular
Yes, sir.
values. Yeah. So from that table, I know the tan pi by 4 value is 1. You can able to remember that table, guys. Okay. Moreover, we are in coordinate geometry, but with the help of trigonometry only. Without trigonometry, we don't have the mathematics as well as physics also. Can I go for the next problem? Second question. Problem number 2. So whenever inclination is given to you guys, you can find out the equation of the straight line by using its slope. So I can take y is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So can I take directly theta value is pi by 3 and p point x1 comma y1 will be given as x1 y1 will be given as 1 comma 2. Make it fast. You can do this and try to post your answers, please. Post your answers. Theta value is given. So whenever inclination is given, always we are going to use a tan function, tangent of that inclination for finding the slope. Is asking the equation of the straight line by making use of the same concept, equation of straight line. Equation of straight line. Can post your answers, please. Yes, please make it fast. Bhavya, what is slope? Avani, what is slope?
Can you repeat the question?
The point, what is the slope? Slope. Yeah. Okay, okay. Very good. Square root of 3. Very good. So can you just to post your answer? Equation of the straight line. Okay. Y minus 2 is equal to square root of 3x minus square root of 3. So we have in terms of square root, so there is a problem to write. Let's see here. As you said, m is equal to, that is the slope. What we are going to get, m is equal to tan theta, that is tan of pi by 3. Pi by 3 means it is 60 degrees. Tan 60 is under the root of 3. So what we can write, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So we can substitute the given point. Y minus y1 means the y coordinate is 2 is equal to root 3 into x minus x1, that is 1. The right side value root 3 times of x minus root 3, and the left hand side value y minus 2. As I said, guys, always try to write in standard form. Straight line means your equation should be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Your equation should be in this form. So we can write it as root 3 times of x minus root 3. Left hand side values will be on right hand side. It is minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. First we can write x terms root 3 times of x. Next y terms. Next constants 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. Is that answer? Yes, Randeep.
So can't we write root 3 in this decimal form?
No, you can keep as it is. It is not necessary to write in decimal fractions. It is not necessary. Yeah, so you can keep as it is. Right, we'll go for the next question, guys. Be careful. Problem ni clear ga chudandi ikkada, and then we'll go for the solution, guys. Be careful. And the question is given as theta is equal to 135. Please be careful. Theta value is 135 degrees. 135 degrees. And the point will be given as p is equal to 3 comma minus 2. So I need your final answer. That is in terms of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I'm not asking the slope. Yes, I need the final answer. Make it fast, guys. First find out the slope, and then we'll go for the equation of the straight line. Vagdevi, you are absolutely correct. Can you, Vagdevi, can you expand it and write it in the form of x plus by plus c is equal?
Sir, can I post it?
Yeah, you can post your answer, please. Vagdevi, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So everything should be on left hand side. Everything should be on left hand side, guys. That is important for us. You are so good. And Bhoop Singh, what is the slope? Bhoop Singh, slope. Very good. Bhoop Singh,
Yes, sir.
m is equal to, what is the slope?
So the slope that I got. So x plus 2 minus y minus 2.
No. What is the slope? Slope means what?
The minus 1.
Is it tan theta or not? It is tan
Yes, sir.
theta. Very good. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So Narasimha Reddy, any doubt? Okay, Samir, Linesh, very good. That is what I'm asking. Very good, very good. X plus y minus 1. Right. Yeah, so in this format that he'll ask, I can make use of y minus y1. Y1 value is minus 2. This is important. Is equal to m into x minus x1. The formula what we have, let it be considered as x1, y1. And y minus of minus means it is y plus 2 is equal to minus x. Let us see here. Minus x minus of minus plus 3. So everything will be on left hand side. Y plus 2 plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write it as x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required answer. What you said, it is absolutely correct. Plus 5 you got. None, you have to correct it because I'm taking that value on left hand side. Plus 3 will become minus 3. Here minus of minus is there because your equation of the straight line is what? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus x1 value 3, y1 value is minus 2. That is important for us. Point number 4. Fourth problem. Theta value is given as 150 and P point will be given as minus 2 comma minus 1. Be careful when we have the negative values. Please be careful when we have the negative values. Yes, please make it fast. Shravani, what is slope?
-1, sir.
So minus 1 by root 3.
Okay. Harshavardhan. Right. Very good. Let's compare your answers. I'm finding
So
slope
y
is
plus
m,
1 plus
Should
x
we
by
rationalize a fraction?
No, you can keep as it is. Just cross multiply and you can keep as it is. Tan theta
So
is equal
tan
to,
150 is minus 1 by root.
you can, if you're not understanding, you can write it as 180 minus 30.
Minus 1 by root 3, sir.
Yeah, that is minus tan 30 minus tan of 30. That is equal to minus 1 divided by root 3. This is the slope, minus 1 divided by root 3. And P x1 y1 is given to you, which implies that x1 value is minus 2, y1 value is minus 1. So make use of the equation of the straight line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value is minus 1 is equal to m value is minus 1 by root 3 into x minus x1 value is how much? Minus 2. So y plus 1, but this root 3 will be on left hand side. I can take root 3 into y plus 1. The right side value is minus of x plus 2. Clear? Minus of x plus 2 because x minus of minus 2, x plus 2. So root 3 times of y plus root 3 is equal to minus x minus 2. That is on right hand side value. And as I said, everything will be on left hand side. Root 3 times of y plus root 3 plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So you can write in standard form. It should be x plus root 3 times of y plus root 3 plus 2 is equal to 0.
so
Is the
x
required
plus root
answer.
3 y plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0, right, sir?
Plus root 3 plus 2.
Yes, sir.
So hope this concept is clear, guys. Whenever we
Sir?
have, yes.
Sir, I didn't understand the second line, sir. Y minus
That simple
minus one.
calculation, yeah, simple calculation part is there. It is nothing we are going to do. I'm not doing any multiplication, division, nothing is there. Simple calculation. The right side part I'm taking on left hand side. That's it.
No, sir, the
M
right
value,
one, x minus minus 2.
minus of minus 2. Because the formula x minus x1. What is x1? Minus 2. I'm substituting minus 2 in place of x1. Minus of minus, I'll get plus. And this root 3 will be on left. Why? Minus of minus 1 will be plus 1. And here already minus 1 is there. I can write minus 1 as it is. Minus 1 into x minus x. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is the fifth point as I have given to you. Correct? First to 4 points. The equation of the line x-axis, y-axis. Equation of the line parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. Equation of the line passing through point when slope is given. I'll moving to point number 6. Equation of line passing through.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Just 1 second. Passing through a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. So even we can call it as a 2-point form. 2-point form. Equation of the straight line passing through a x1 y1 b x2 y2. 2-point form. So if you are observing that we have the coordinate system, but in coordinate system we have the 2 points. So one point is here, guys, and another point is somewhere else. So what is asking? Let us find out the equation of the straight line L. Equation of the straight line L, which passes through the 2 points. A is here and B is another point. What is the formula? No, what is the slope of this line? AB. Can we have the slope formula? Yes or no? What is the slope formula? M is equal.
Tan of inclination, sir.
No inclination is given to you. 2 points are given here.
Sir, m is equal to
y2
y square
minus,
minus
yeah.
y1 by x square minus x1.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now, what is the equation of the line passing through a x1 y1 whose slope is given? Equation of straight line is, just now we use this formula, equation of straight line. Straight line is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Sir, what is m here? M is not given, but 2 points are given to you. What is m here? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. By making use of 2-point form, you can find out the slope, right? Or we can also write it as y minus y1 is equal to, m means what I can write? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Is it the same formula? It is same as the fifth one. But what is the difference? For the fifth one, he has given the slope. That means inclination is given to you. Here, no inclination will be given. What he has given? 2 points. Whenever we have the 2 points, it's very easy to find out the slope. How? By making use of the slope formula. Already we proved also y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Clear, guys? The 6th point.
Sir, how can we know that there is inclination or not?
Not given. So previous questions, clearly he has given theta is equal to something. So
Okay.
here he has given 2 points. A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Whenever we have 2 points, we can make use of this formula.
Okay.
Yes, inclination is an angle. Yes.
So the difference between fifth and sixth question is that fifth and sixth equation is that like in fifth equation we have like y and y1, whereas in sixth equation we have y1 and y2, right?
Yes. x1 y1, x2 y2 will be given to you. But inclination is not given to you. In the sixth point, inclination is not given. Clear? In the sixth question, inclination is not given. Theta value not given to you. In the fifth one, theta value will be given to you. Clear? So that's it for today, guys. We'll continue tomorrow by solving the questions from
Thank
this
you, sir.
concept, and we'll try to discuss few more points in the next class. That's it for today.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good
Thank
night,
you,
sir.
sir.
Bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.